Hello and welcome to LawWiser. Today we are talking about the important issue of maintenance for women after divorce under Indian personal laws. Recent Supreme Court decisions have clarified a lot, so let's break it down. Maintenance is a financial support that a husband must provide to his wife during and after marriage. It helps ensure that a woman can take care of herself after a divorce. Indian laws cover maintenance through different personal laws and the Code of Criminal Procedure. Recently, the Supreme Court of India decided that Muslim women can ask for maintenance under both Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code and the Muslim Women Protection of Rights of Divorce Act 1986. This means that Muslim women, like all other women, can use Section 125 to get maintenance from their husbands. Even if a husband has followed the 1986 law or personal customs, a divorced Muslim woman can still use Section 125 if she can't support herself. The court also talked about Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Act 2019, which bans triple talaq, which is instant divorce. Under this law, a woman given triple talaq can get subsistence allowance. He can also seek help under Section 125 of the CrPC. Maintenance isn't just for the divorced wives. It can also be dependent children, unmarried daughters, minor sons, and even husbands if they can't work due to illness or injury. For Hindus, the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 and the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 cover maintenance. These laws say that a wife can get maintenance during court proceedings or if she lives separately for valid reasons like dissertation or cruelty. Muslim personal laws like the Dissolution of Muslim Marriages Act 1939 and the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986 also provides maintenance rights. These laws protect women who are neglected by their husbands or divorced. Section 125 of the CrPC applies to everyone, no matter their religion. It offers a quick way to get maintenance without needing other legal proceedings. Courts have supported divorced Muslim women using Section 125 even after the 1986 Act has been passed. In summary, Indian laws ensure that women have several ways to claim maintenance after divorce, providing financial security and support. Thank you for joining us to learn about this important topic and keep watching LawWiser to stay updated on legal trends.